हाँ जी, FIR, first information report. When a police in charge, the police station in charge, it refused to file the FIR, a person, it can directly send a letter or report to the commissioner. Clear? Second, as it can approach towards the magistrate or a judge of a session court, high court, किसी को भी. Third, if a person has living in a, it has moving towards the other country for a visit. For example, a Gunta has gone towards the Pakistan for a tourism. Under such circumstances, it can call for a Human Rights Commission. Very good. Human Rights Commission. Human rights. Human rights. What are the human rights? What are the human rights? Can you give me a roll number, Priyansh? Those who are sitting here. Roll number. Yes, Amil. Roll number. Those who are sitting here. 30. Stand up. 30 here. 13 here. 13. 1 3. 1 3. Yes. What is so? What it means are human rights. Do. Samuel said, human rights are the fundamental rights. Gotad, is he correct? Then correct it. Correct it. Okay. Akshat. Yes. Next, FIR, first information report. So, what has included? What is the procedure of a FIR? Filing of a FIR, first information report. Procedure. So, what has includes under the FIR, first information report? Okay. So the witness, eyewitness, or a victim, it can directly approach towards a police station. First, eyewitness or victim FIRST, first, INFORMATION, information, REPORT, report. So victim or eyewitness, they will approach towards a police station to give detail related with the crime, which includes, they will go towards a police station related with the crime, which includes day of crime, date, place, and who are engaged in a crime. Engaged. Day, 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 date, place, etc. Second, on behalf of FIR, police arrest. On behalf of FIR, behalf, Guntas, BEHALF, behalf of FIR, police arrest those THOSE, which are directly or indirectly engaged in a crime. Directly वो crime site पे exist करता था, indirectly maybe उसने कोई planning की हो, उसने किसी और को भेजा हो, ठीक है ना, plan murders होते हैं. Directly and indirectly engaged in crime. Engaged. Next one. On behalf of the FIR, police on behalf of FIR, police arrest accused and file charge sheet. CHAR, behalf of it. Charge sheet means that particular accused violated the which of the articles. All those articles it will be as a mark. Case it will be as a file on the behalf of the charge sheet. Total articles in a constitution. At the time of enactment of a constitution, 395 were there, but presently are there कितने? कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एक बुक है, बुक जो लिखी जा चुकी है वो अभी भी है, फिर वो फिक्स होगा, वो अपनी मर्जी से तो चेंज नहीं करोगे आप. Very good. 448 articles. 448 articles are marked in a constitution which are related with the situations of our life. Life से related, social freedom से related कुछ freedoms, liberties दी गई हैं. वो सब articles में marked है. 448 are there. पहले ये 395 थे जब constitution enforce हुआ, लगाया गया, implement किया गया. अभी 448 है. So on behalf of a FIR, police arrest the accused and file a charge sheet against of the accused in a court. Clear? Full stop. Full stop. Arrest. At the time of the arrest, there are certain freedoms are given to the person which is arrested by the police. What we call to such cases in which as an arrest warrant is not required, cognizable, and those in which as an arrest warrant not required as a non-cognizable. Example, cognizable, जिसमें warrant की requirement होती है. To the accused at the time of the arrest was at the time of arrest of a woman or a girl, lady, women constable, it should be present on a site. Second, after arrest of a woman or a girl, they will present in front of a magistrate within 24 hours. Saturday arrest हुआ, छुट्टी है, कोर्ट बंद है, संडे बंद है, अगले दिन मंडे भी बंद है, उसी टाइम उसे छोड़ा जाएगा विमेन को, ठीक है ना, रिलीज किया जाएगा. They will again as arrest on a next day as a Tuesday or a Wednesday. Clear? Otherwise, when the arrest girl has arrested, women has arrested, they will be as a present in front of a magistrate within 24 hours. ये condition है, mark की गई है. Next, if the women or a girl, they are arrested, they kept in a custody, at that time the women constable, it should be present in a station, police station होना चाहिए, वहां women constable होना चाहिए. कुछ severe criminals आ जाते हैं, women कोई criminal है, उसको इस situation में release नहीं किया जाए, क्या वो भाग जाए, उस situation में women constable होना बहुत जरूरी है वहां पर. Next, at the time of arrest, arrest warrant, it should be as a kept by the police, and accused it can ask for it. और गुंतास को अरेस्ट किया जा रहा है, गुंतास it can ask for the arrest warrant. Clear गुंतास? No, वकील का कोई रोल नहीं है, because on the spot लॉयर को कौन से हाथ लेकर चलता है. अभी सोमिल के साथ कोई लॉयर नहीं है, ठीक है, 24 घंटे लॉयर थोड़ी ना रहेगा साथ. Children under the age group of 15 years, under age group of 15 years, Navkaran, under age of 15 years, and women, they can't call for a questioning in police station. They will directly reach in a courtroom. They will not call in a police station for a questioning. A child under age group of 15 years or a women, they will not call in a police station for a questioning. They will directly approach towards the court. Directly approach towards the court. Next. C-O-U-R-T. Court. Next. Confessions committed by the accused in police station are not authentic in court. Police stations are not the authentic proofs. example, mark it is same and sign the authentic. That time when the accused has not committed in front of magistrate, committed by accused police station, उसके लिए मैजिस्ट्रेट का अप्रूवल है. Accused, it will not ill-treated without prior information, without our prior. Accused, it will not ill-treated in police station without prior approval of magistrate. It will not ill-treat ILL-TREATED. It will be not ill-treated in a police station without permission of magistrate. Without permission of magistrate. Magistrate, it will not ill-treat without permission of magistrate. Judge. MAGISTRATE or judge. Haji Jain. Okay, next. So all these are the freedoms given to the accused at the time of arrest under the Article 22. Article 21 is the right to equality, right to life. Some basic liberties are given to the individuals, but in Article 22 some freedoms are given to the accused, such as accused. Freedoms are given to the accused by the Constitution of India. Constitution of India. Now the next one is a public prosecutor. Public prosecutor. Clear accused. First part of the fair trial, accused. Second, victim से आप familiar हो, victim. Third, public prosecutor. Public prosecutor. Public prosecutor. Public PROSECUTO. Sorry. So public prosecutor, it is an advocate. It is an advocate. It is which represents government against of accused. These are not only as a lawyers which have done their, these are not only as a lawyers which have finished their law degree. Not only a lawyers which have done their, who appeared in exam for selection of SELECTION selection of advocates for court sorry, I don't know. Public prosecutor, sorry, qualifications for a public prosecutor, qualifications for the public prosecutor, qualifications for the public prosecutor. It shouldn't bankrupt. It shouldn't bankrupt. अब bankrupt नहीं, इसे रहने दो. खुद ही लॉयर वो अपने आप को किस क्रिमिनल चार्ज में तो ना रखेगा, खुद ही लॉयर है, इसमें नहीं लिखना. वो मिनिस्टर्स के लिए होता है, वो खुद ही लॉयर अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट नहीं कर सकता, वो क्या बचाएगा लोग. So two other conditions. Public prosecutor, it has played the functions of a public prosecutor. Functions of public prosecutor. It presents a case from a side of a government. From a side of government. From a side of government. it presents a case from the side of a court or government. Second, it cross-examine he or she cross-examine proofs and witnesses presented by the defense lawyer. Third, proofs and witnesses presented by the defense lawyer. Third, कल करें.